Today I'm going to make a quick stir fry using ingredients that I have in my fridge as well as in my cupboard. One way of getting your fruits and vegetables in your diet is to make a stir fry. So I have here some black beans, I have pepper, onions, cabbage, two different types of cabbage. I have Savoy cabbage and Chinese cabbage. I have carrots here, red cabbage, so it's three different types of cabbage. I have some broccoli here, and over here I have some spinach, and I've decided I'm going to add some rice vermicelli to it, noodles, so at least I'm getting some carbohydrate and it will be a meal. I'm going to add some Worcestershire sauce, dark soy sauce, and sweet chili, so stay tuned. Equipment needed: you need a green chopping board, colander, spatula, a peeler, knife. You can use a vegetable knife, or if you have a cook's knife at home, okay. Small pots when you chop your vegetables, and a wok. Important thing is preparation. So the first thing I'm going to start off with is to prepare the vermicelli. So this is rice vermicelli noodles. It's suitable for vegetarians. It has no GM ingredients, no cholesterol, and it's gluten free. Feel free to use any noodle that you like. I'm not using any specific recipe, so here I'm just doing a handful. That's one portion for one serving, okay. I'm going to place the vermicelli into freshly boiled water, and I'm going to leave this here for 5 minutes. No need to allow it to boil. Just turn it off, freshly boiled water, and I'm going to leave this for about 5 minutes, and then I drain it and I leave it for another 5 minutes. Preparing the vegetables. I'm starting off with the onion. Remember, you need to peel your onions and then you just slice. Fold your fingers back and you slice. So we prepare the vegetables. I start off with the onion, finely slice it. Please fold those fingers back. You don't want it too thick, thin slices, okay? We're going to shred the cabbage next. Quick tip, if when you're cutting your chopping board is moving about, please just wet a piece of paper towel and put it underneath it, okay? And that will stabilize your board, okay? See? Okay, we're shredding the cabbage. Keep your fingers away, okay? So that's enough. Shredding the red cabbage. So I'm preparing all the vegetables in advance, so as soon as I start cooking, I don't have to stop, okay? Prepare the pepper, just slicing it, okay? Keep your fingers back, please fold them back, okay? There we go. We prepare the carrot. Make sure you peel your carrot, or you can leave the skin on once you wash them. Okay, we're just going to slice it, make sure that it is flat. It can sit flat on the board, okay? So we slice the thin strips of carrots so they will be cooked quickly, okay? The spinach in a colander. Please do not soak it in water because you lose the vitamin C that's present, okay? Now I've prepared all the vegetables ready for stir frying, and I've also prepared the noodles. And if you notice, there's a brilliant range, excellent range of colors and textures. The broccolis, I've just separated the florets, everything is there ready, and these are the spices that I will add, or sauces. So soy sauce, sweet chili, and a bit of seasoning, okay? So stir frying it's quick cooking and requires you to start off with a hot wok or pan, whatever you're doing it in. So here I'm ready, pan is ready. So I'm starting with the onion. Remember, stir frying is a quick method. So once you cook the onions for a bit, you can start adding the other vegetables. I'm adding the cabbage and the carrots. All these vegetables, they can be eaten raw. So there's no need for you to overcook them. Just toss them around in the pan. You see the vibrant colors? Good range of colors. Good way to get all 5 a day. If you don't like eating raw vegetables, just stir fry them. If you don't like them stir fried, you can use them in a smoothie. Juice them, okay? Adding the broccoli, florets, and the peppers. I don't like my peppers overcooked. Strong colors, good range of textures, good range of flavors. Add the spinach. The beans. This will be a source of protein as well. Lastly, I'm going to add the vermicelli, rice noodles. Just going to allow this to warm through. As it is warming through, I'm going to add the sweet chili. The sauces. I'll give it a stir. Now your stir fry is ready to be served. We serve this on a plate. So we are ready to serve. One portion. Okay, make sure your food looks alive on the plate, okay? Enjoy.